Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the capacitor in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a 10mm socket and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. Detach the venting from the dryer. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Remove the end of the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Secure the washer lid with tape. Now carefully tip the appliance back so it rests on its rear panel. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the screw, securing the capacitor mounting strap to release the component. Use the needle nose pliers to touch the capacitor terminals to ensure the potentially stored electrical charge is released. Now disconnect the wires to fully remove the old capacitor. To install the new capacitor, attach the wires to the terminals. Confirm the mounting strap is secure in the plate. Then position the capacitor and thread the screw to secure the strap. Return the laundry center to its upright position. Reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.